Hello, I am Anna from BIM Object Italy, and today I have the pleasure to introduce you SIMAS BIM Object. Now we are working in Revit, but the same process can be done in ArchiCAD and SketchUp. We need to add a sync so we can use the Integrate BIM Object app for Revit. We can use the filters or write the name of the brand, and we can see the first products of SIMAS. Choosing the product, we can find its product page. In this page, we find some data, pictures, descriptions, and links for SIMAS website for further information of this product. Then we have classifications, the list of countries where the product is available, and some properties. Thanks to this page, you can also contact the manufacturer and follow it to be always updated about SIMAS releases. There is also the possibility to mark this product as a favorite one and see it in our BIM board. On the product page, we find also the 3D preview, where we can see the colors available. In the download, we can choose between different softwares. Thanks to BIM Object app, the object is automatically downloaded in Revit and is ready to be inserted in the project. The type property data shows the information available for this product, including the links of the website and the specifications. This is the 3D visualization. Thanks to the BIM Object app, we can always check the update of the product, and with Properties button, we can add further data. Thanks for watching this video, and follow us on bimobject.com.